Moving on to metallic bonding. Metallic bonding क्या होती है? We have a sea of electrons surrounding a group of positively charged electrons. Metal atoms are tightly packed together in lattice structures. When the metal atoms are in lattice structures, the electrons in their outer shells are free to move throughout the structure. The free moving electrons are called delocalized electrons. ये वो sea of electrons होता है which surrounds the positively charged ions, and they are not bound to their atom. When the electrons are delocalized, the metal atoms become positively charged, and the positive charges repel each other and keep neatly arranged lattice in place. There are very strong forces between the positive metal centers and the sea of delocalized electrons. Opposite charges and they would attract with each other. This is how you represent. तो क्या है? अब हर मेटल एटम के जो आउटर शेल में एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा, ठीक है, +1 हो सकता है, +2, +3, ग्रुप 1, 2, 3 एंड मेटल्स है. एंड व्हेन these metals are closely packed in a lattice, their outer electrons dissociate from the positive center. The delocalized mobile electrons are free to move through the metal. Once the outer electrons are delocalized, the positive metal centers are suspended in the sea of electrons. Metallic bonding involves strong electrostatic forces of attraction between the metal centers and the delocalized electrons.